Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing the FabFitFun Black Friday sale. So this is my first time doing the Black Friday sale. I've never done it before. So let's just get right into it. So I bought a few things. I bought two things from the brand My Tagalongs, but for some reason I got 4 bags. So we're gonna see what everything is. Okay, so this is just a lunch tote. It's very pretty. It might look dirty, but it's not. It's just the print. It's lightweight, easy to clean, insulates, and it's expandable. Yeah, that's just the print. Because it looks dirty. Not sure. Maybe on camera, it might not look like that. So this is another lunch tote, just in a different print. If you remember the backpack that I showed you in my Black Friday part 1, it's the exact same print. I just got the tote. Oh, they sent me 2. Oh my goodness. They sent me 2. Uh-oh. Okay, so I'm gonna have to contact them and let them know that they sent me 2 by accident. This one also looks the same, so I guess this is just the print. So yeah, that's no good. And this one I'm assuming is the same. So I'll just open it, take a little peek. Yep, same one. Alright, so these 2, I'm going to tell them that they accidentally sent me 2 of them, even though I only ordered like 1 of each. So I'm going to let them know, and then hopefully I'll know what to do from there. Okay, so I got a glow-in-the-dark lightning cable. It's 10 feet. It's the blue one. Can never have too many of these. And then I got a green one, but this one is a gift. Same size. These were about $10 each, so not bad. And hopefully they won't rip either. So I'm excited, and I'm really hoping they actually glow in the dark and not like a faint glow either. Okay, now on to the box. Oh, that's right. Okay, I got 3 different mystery bundles. Okay. I bought 3 this time. Make something different. So, let's see. 3 is like the max you can do. So we have the ab wheel by New Balance. My sister actually took my other one, didn't tell me. The other one I had was a pink one. That one, I believe I spent $34. So at least now I can actually use this. And if I don't use it, I could give it as a gift. Ooh, I needed new socks. And I just did not feel like going out to buy anything. Boot socks, even better. Even better. So these are longer because they'll go, I'm showing it to you the wrong way. So we have the ivory pair, and then we have like a grayish pair. Yeah, gray pair. I don't know why I thought I was going to say lavender, but these are boot socks. And this is the alright, let me take it out of the box before I butcher this name. Gist, I think that's what it says. Like, it's hard to see. It's the glowiest peekaboo skin perfecting toner. It has mango extract, witch hazel extract, and micellar solution. So let's see. Not bad. Doesn't smell that bad. It smells like a little bit like alcohol, but it's not too bad. There's a lot of ingredients. I just realized I didn't even show you the product. And then this is the other one. Not sure what this is. I have no idea what this is. But that has something to do with heat? Or with that, I don't know. Maybe this could tell me. It has something to do with movement. I have no idea. Oh, they're sliders. I don't know. I'm not even sure what it's for. I will have to look that up for you. But okay. Interesting. Ooh, are these sunglasses? Oh no, they're glasses. I don't miss wearing glasses at all. So I will not be wearing these. So it's by the brand To The Market. Oh, it's an apron. Huh. I'm not too sure if it would fit me or not, but cool. I don't know why I thought it was going to be like a tote bag or something, but nice. Cool that it has a pocket too. Alright, cool. Smells pretty good. Wicks and Tricks, a scented candle. Daily reminders. You're as hot as this candle will get. You smell good. You make great choices, like buying this candle. You're actually 1 in 7.64 billion. This is a 2021 product, okay? People definitely have crushes on you. Your skin looks incredible. You're glowing. Take things one candle at a time. You're fearless, except when it comes to spiders, of course. You are loved. We love you. Aww. This candle is GMO-free, plant-based, biodegradable, sustainable, cruelty-free, and no parabens and no paraffins. Let's see. So it's in the scent Enlighten Me, vanilla. Yeah, that smells really good. There are some candles where I know would give me a headache, and I feel like this one might give me a headache. Like, I love sweet candles, but I have a feeling this one might do the trick. So I'm going to give this one as a gift instead. Sometimes you just know. Because I spent over a certain amount of money, I got a freebie, and this time it was a Smart Water. And I got the flavor Cucumber Lime. I actually cannot stand these, the flavor Smart Water. So I'll give this to my sister. I'm sure she would like it. Okay, last bundle, and then I have 2 more things to show you. So this is Desert Palms Poolside Tumblers. Comes in a 2-pack. This is definitely more of the summer. If this was a regular purchase, I definitely would not have bought this, but I can always give it as a gift. Ooh, Summer and Rose. It's always a good brand. I think I know what this is. I think I bought this one. Oh, similar. So they're blue light glasses, and I did purchase blue light glasses before, but it's not the same ones. They're UVA protected. And before I give them as gifts, I will sanitize it and clean it as well. This one is a little damaged, but that's okay. So there is a pillowcase, an eye mask, and a scrunchie in here. So I think, okay. So it's the exact same one I've gotten in just a different color. I think this is I got the rose gold one, so tan. I think this is tan. A lot of these stuff make great gifts, even like Secret Santa gifts too. DP Hue by Kristen Cavallari. The Sun and City Mist Hair Color Protection from UV and Pollution. Okay. Wow. That smells like straight up sunblock. I'm okay with that though. For all hair colors. I don't know about that. I cannot stand when products say that. Oh, this is just for everybody. Might not be the case. It smells really good though, so we'll see if this actually works in the summer. Okay, so I also bought 2 vitamin pods. That, believe it or not, it was actually really hard to get this because it just kept getting, it was always like sold out. So I had to keep looking at the app at least every 15 minutes to see if someone would delete it from their cart. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty tiny. I love it. It's so pretty. So I got 2 of them. And then it opens like this. I would prefer it if it was magnetic, but it's not. You could like open it with this little latch, but it's okay. Easy to open, easy to close. You can add like a little carabaner here and then hook it if you want. So, like I said, I bought 2 of them. And then the last thing, I bought a Kate Spade item. It's this really tiny but really pretty necklace. Just gonna show it this way. just so you could see it. This is what the necklace looks like. It's pretty tiny. When I first saw it, I thought it would be like a little bit bigger. I didn't realize how tiny it was going to be until I just saw it, but it's okay. This was originally $68 and I think I paid, definitely was not, it was really cheap. I think I paid $18. I can double check how much I paid for this. $29. I paid $29. Not all right, so not bad. Half off, basically. So that is it for the Black Friday sale. I really hope you guys enjoy. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and please hit that notification bell. That way I know every time you upload. That way you know every time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.